So we've parked up in this beautiful spot in the countryside of Germany. There is a lot to see, a lot of pathways for one to go for a walk, and there are 2 fire pits as well. Chris right now is looking for some wood while I'm enjoying my glass of wine. We got a beautiful day today. It's a little bit windy, but it's okay.
Okay, that should be enough. We just put some more wood on the fire and we're cooking some burgers and sausages. It's so cool that there are places like this in Germany. The smoke keeps playing games with us. It was blowing this way, moved the table here, it started blowing the other way. Now I've just sat down, I'm enjoying my delicious burger, and it's blowing this way again. Okay, so the fire's looking really good now. It's actually a bit too good because the flames are coming all the way up.
This is our first barbecue of 2024.
The burgers were so tasty.
Yeah, really good. Imagine if we do like a get together with all of our followers and we do like a barbecue like this. That would be really great, right?
Yeah, who's doing the cooking?
You. No, not me.
At this time of year is so amazing. It's the first time I'm with my t-shirt in the evening. Absolutely. I don't know.
The weather is changing for sure.
The weather is changing. This is our favourite time of the year. And just over there in the distance is Liechtenstein Castle, where we were last week. Can you see it? We've got a dirty dog here.
We have a dirty dog.
Holly loves having a shower, doesn't she?
Yeah, because she gets all the treats that she wants.
Now, when she hears the word shower, she tries to run away, doesn't she? Then we just lure her back with the treats.
I bought this for her because her coat is getting yellow because she's getting old, and yeah, I hope it works now. What a good girl. You are white.
In a long lost dream is where I'll find you, with the wind blowing through your hair, push me to my knees. In a long lost dream is where I'll find you. Oh, the look in your eyes makes me feel alive again.
This is the best cup of tea of the day. First one in the morning. I think today we've got even better weather than yesterday. Just a little breeze and the birds are still singing.
It's so calm and quiet here.
It's surprising, like here we're more in the middle of nowhere than we were in last week's video, but at night there was no sound whatsoever.
We're so isolated, there are no houses in this area. We're just in the countryside of Germany. And it's paradise here because Holly can roam freely and enjoy her time, you know, in nature. There were some locals coming here this morning just to walk their dogs here in this area, but so far, no one else.
If I could travel back in time, I'd lay a blanket full of stars to brighten up the darkness of our sleepless nights. I'd find a way to make you
Quick pit stop today to have an explore about here in the Schomburg forest, and right in front of us is this 300 plus stair, what do you call it, tower, which we're going to attempt to climb up and hopefully get a beautiful view of the whole forest.
We're already out of breath. I don't know how we're going to climb all of those stairs. Ooh.
So the view from here is really quite nice. So let's go up. Does it say how many stairs there are?
No.
And for those of you that don't like to climb, there's actually a nice bench over there where you can sit in the sun. You just got to keep your focus on the steps, because if you look up or look down, you start getting dizzy. Okay, so now we're up really high. So we made it to the top of the observation tower, and as soon as you arrive up here, you can feel the wind much more, and you feel it shake a little bit, but if the Germans built it, it must be strong. I don't know why, I'm a little bit scared of heights. Not too scared that I won't come up here, scared enough that I'll stand about half a meter away from the edge, although this looks quite solid. Charlene, on the other hand, likes to live life dangerously.
There are so many planes in the sky, I counted 10 already.
Yeah, they're all heading to Stuttgart airport, or coming from. It's much easier going down, isn't it? What do you think?
Lovely view from up there. And it's free. That's the good part about it.
So the sun is just set now, or nearly setting, because it's a bit cloudy, so it's gone behind the clouds. And ideally we want to try and find a new park up for tonight. There's quite a few here in the surrounding areas, but we need to go and check them out still. So hopefully by the time we get there, we still have a little bit of light. So we have parked up for tonight. We're just beside this football ground in the middle of the forest. As you can see, the floodlights are still on and there's some people playing, but I guess after the match this place will all clear out. It's quite cool having a football pitch in the middle of the forest. We're gonna have something to eat and hopefully enjoy a calm night here in the forest. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button for us, and we'll see you next week for more adventures here in Germany. Bye!